Wakenya wamekaa pamoja kwa amani.
Now, the 5th edition of the Kenya Revenue Authority Summit kicked off today in Nairobi, where tax matters took center stage. Top tax commissioners from the authority taking part at the event rallied Kenyans to be tax compliant. The taxman is rooting for an expanded scope to rope in the informal sector, which goes untaxed. Now, the authority is further exploring options around embracing technology to drive tax services in the country. As at the event, and here is a summary.
That simpler taxes has numerous benefits. They can reduce taxpayers' cost of complying with the tax laws in terms of time and money. Hence, it will increase the probability and productivity of enhancing revenue. It is for this reason that KRA has supported tax simplification expected to enable taxpayers to conveniently pay their fair share of taxes. Not a shilling more, not a shilling less.
By last year, we had just over 3 million active taxpayers. Now we have over 4 million. So in terms of expanding the base, a lot has happened since then. We have brought in a lot of various categories, professional categories, into the tax net. We are working with the micro enterprises, SMEs and the micro enterprises through the introduction of the presumptive tax and the turnover tax, reintroduction of the turnover tax.